Hello, we're going to talk about the parts of speech in English. They're like the building blocks of the language. First, we'll talk about a noun. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Examples would be a teacher, a house, car, love. Juan is a teacher. He lives in a house. Verb. A verb shows an action or a state. Examples are run, eat, is, talk. He is hungry. She bikes to school. Adjectives. An adjective describes a noun. Examples are red, big, tired, happy. It is a red car. He is happy. Adverbs. An adverb describes a verb. It tells us how, when, or where. Examples are quickly, slowly, now, or here. General rule is if it ends in ly, it's an adverb. She runs quickly. We eat now. Pronouns. A pronoun replaces a noun. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. She is tired. They are here. So you got I, you, we, they. You also have it, she, he. Prepositions. A preposition shows a position or time. Examples would be on, under, in, before, or after. The book is on the table. The cat is under the box, or the cat is in the box. We meet after class. Conjunctions. A conjunction connects words or sentences. For example, and, but, or, because. I like coffee and tea. He is tired but happy. Interjections. An interjection shows feeling. Examples are wow, ow, oh, wow, that was fast.